Hello guys, how y'all doing? I'm coming to y'all with another video. I have two plants from Fast Growing Trees, and I'm supposed to have three. I wonder if they got two in one box, but I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. And they're supposed to be a flavor top nectarine, a Lapin's cherry tree, and a kefir pear. I got them on the 22nd today, where it's like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning that I'm doing this video. So I've been having them for about 10 hours since they came in. They came in, I think, around 4 or 5, something like that, on the 22nd of January 2022. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing here. It is cold in this garage. It's like, let me see how cold it is. It is 40 degrees in this garage. So it's like 35 outside. I think it's like a 5-degree difference from the garage from outside or more. All right, I'm gonna put me some gloves on because my hands is cold and I'm all closed up. Okay, I'm gonna open this big box first. I like that they put this little thing on there so it's not so heavy to pick up like this, and you can just drag it with that little cord there. Okay, it says lay flat this side up, okay? Okay, these are really nice. I guess they have two in here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they have this package really nice. I didn't know they was gonna have some big trees like this. And some pots at that. I'm gonna have to show y'all how this looks in here. They give you some coupons. This is the kefir pear and the nectarine tree. They look very nice. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, that's heavy. No limbs are broken on this one. Very healthy looking tree at that. Look at that. That is the kefir pear. Very nice looking tree. No limbs are broken. I thought this one bad root trees, but I paid a good penny for them though. I paid a good penny for them, and this is beautiful. I did get the 1-year warranty, I think it was. I'm sorry, that wasn't the kefir, that was the nectarine, guys. That was the nectarine, the one I just showed you. Now I'm going to show you this one right. This is the pear tree, and it looks lovely. Oh, you know what? I'm supposed to cut those off. That's why I couldn't get it out too easy. Because they have these straps holding it down. That's why it was so hard for me to get it out there, for me to break a branch. Oh, a branch is broken. A branch is broken, y'all. A branch is broken. But it's okay. It's the bottom branch. A branch is broken right here. Oh. And that's a nice branch. About how many branches. This one is not in a pot. It's like it's in a boil out. Yeah, this is a root pot. This is root right here. This is roots. It's no pot to this one. This one is nice too, but let's see. I have one. The main branches are not broken, but I do have 1, 2, 3. Some branches that's on the outside, which is some good branches, came off. That's actually forming the tree is the ones that came off. The kefir pear tree. Very nice tree. Look at this. It in a burlap's roots, bare roots dug up, no pot. And look at that branch, looks very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the branches that's broken on here. This one right here is broken. And this one right here is broken. And this one right here is broken. So I'm gonna take all those out. Look like everything else is looking fine. Very nice, beautiful tree. I didn't know if they were big or small, but these are big. So these probably would gonna fruit, because I'm keeping them in a container. I'm not putting them in the ground. So when you put stuff in a container, they pretty much bloom and fruit their second year. But this looked like a 2-year. This looked like a 2-3 year-old plant here. So this one should fruit, and the other one looked like it's like 2-3 years too. They might just fruit for me, huh? Okay, let's look at this cherry. I know that package is in that price. That's a nice heavy 30 boxes there. Nice. This is my cherry tree. It also came in a burlap bag. Very nice. Very nice. And that's how that looks. Very nice, healthy looking tree. And that's the Lapins cherry tree. Guys, I will be planting these up tomorrow. I think they can last a little longer because they still have a lot of moisture in this bag. I can see that. All right, guys, I just wanted to show y'all that unboxing, how they came and how they shipped their potted or bare root trees. I will be doing a potting video on these 3 trees, and I do have 2 other trees I gotta pot up. But that is that. You know what, guys? I'm noticing something on this pear tree, on this trunk. It's kind of cracked up. It's not smooth at all. So I wonder if that's going to cause a problem. Now, you see how this trunk is all like this? Like it's just look like it have been burnt or sun damage. I hope this doesn't cause me a problem because it is kind of low on the bark. It goes up and it stops about right there, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna check it again. Let's see if it's all the way around. These are self-pollinating trees, all 3 of them. I'm gonna have to do something about this because I do not like the way this tree looking at all, and it might have a disease. Because it just looked like, I'm glad I noticed it. It'd be a problem because I don't know. I paid too much money for this tree. Bark scratching, scratched up. You have a lot of scratches on your board. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bag a little further and let y'all see this bottom of the base of this tree. It is not pretty, and I will be telling them they need to send me a tree. Probably why a lot of branches are falling off of it. They got worms and everything in here. Wigglers. And y'all let me know if I'm gonna have a problem with it. It starts red. It starts right here and it works its way down, and further down is even worse. Let me turn it around so y'all can see. I don't know how old this tree is, but look at that. I don't know if it's rotting, it's peeling. But this base, it looks like it's rotten for real. I wonder why it's looking so dark right here. Right here. Well, I will cut a branch off and see if they have some black markings in there and see if they have any diseases. But it's really, really dark going up. I don't know if that's how the pear tree looks, dark like this. I say dark. It's very dark right here. You see how dark it is right here? I don't know if that's, you know, this is my first pear tree, so I'm not sure, but the bottom of this does not look good. Turn it on the side to say this is a young tree. Now I need to look at all the bark and see how it's looking of the tree. So I still don't understand how this bark be looking like this to say it was on the outside of the tree. Because this the part you can tell was up to the soil line right here, but why is this all rotten right here? I'm finna take a snapshot and I'm finna send it to them and tell them that, hey, this tree is not looking too well. So y'all let me know if I'm looking at something wrong. This pear tree does not look healthy at all. Let me know in the description box. Until next time, guys, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.